So this is a quick view at the Apple USB-C to USB Type-A adapter. To open it, you need to find the green arrow on the back. Simply peel it, and then you'll be able to open the package. Then you have a small tab here, you pull it, and the adapter presents itself to you. Inside of the box, you also get some papers. The adapter is quite compact, very light, and it's very useful if you have an iPad or even a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and it has a USB Type-C port, and you want to connect anything that is USB Type-A. Could be a flash drive, could be a mouse, a keyboard, any peripheral using USB Type-A. You just have to plug it like this, and then plug the other end in your device. Like this. What I like about this adapter is that it's also working with non-Apple device like this Chromebook that is made by Lenovo. Here it has a USB Type-C port. I just have to plug it and I'll be able to use whatever device I connected to this adapter. It's very versatile and it works with any brands available. Thanks for watching. If you would like to get one of these, check the links in the description. If not, just leave a like, a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.